What's up, guys? So just doing a maintenance on this unit. Looks like this one is a 2-ton straight AC. Need to fix this too. See if I can get that better. Yeah, you can see a lot of grass going around it, a lot of dirt. And on some sides of the coil, you know, it's not too bad. Not sure if you can see it. You can see it better right here. There you go. But this side is completely filled with dirt. See that? So let's figure I'd do a quick video on cleaning this without chemicals, just using water. It looks like it's not, you know, embedded in the coil. It might be easy to come out with just water. So that's what we'll do. I'm gonna take the top off. We'll clean it from the inside out. Alright guys, I already confirmed that power is off. Look at that. This one really needed it. All four sides really, just not the corners. But yeah, this one's a little bit worse than I thought it was. So we'll go ahead and start cleaning this guy. I might brush it off first and then rinse it. Since it's all dry, it might be easier that way. Alright, so I'm just gonna brush this off real quick. See how well that works. Oh yeah. Oh man, this one really needed it. Really bad. try to get all the stuff at the bottom. Just one more side. I already did the back side. So this is the last one. Alright guys, that's about as good as it's gonna get, so let's go ahead and put this back together. Alright, just gonna turn it back on now. See, it's gonna operate much better now. So that's gonna be it though, guys. Just thought I'd show some coil cleaning action. But I'm just gonna finish up the maintenance. And hope you guys liked the video. That's gonna be it for this one, guys, and I will see y'all on the next one.